If you wish your taillights had some more character to them, these Z-Series full LED sequential taillights with the initiation feature, black housing, and clear lens will be a great mod for your 2022 and newer Tundra without the factory sequential turn signals. These will be sure to turn some heads with their unique appearance and will add a darker look to your lighting if you're a lover of that blacked out or black accented appearance and you're looking to add that to your Tundra. Now, these will also bring additional features to the table like a full amber appearance with the turn signal or lighting sequences if you really want to make a statement when it comes to the back of your truck. Now, the first thing that catches your eye, my eye, any eye with this set is the smoked LED light bar for the main running light, which is very similar to the factory one, but the rest of the light is a different story. Now, the center and the side will feature smaller rectangular lights, and the ones that take up the front will act as the brake and running light along with the light bar, but the side will solely illuminate in an amber color along with the rest of the lighting when the turn signal is activated. Now, it's also going to sequence with the turn signal and the hazards and will integrate an initiation feature at startup for some additional flair and style. It's also going to integrate all the reflectors that you need in order to stay up to OE standard, and this side portion for the bump sensor, if you have that equipped on your Tundra currently, is removable. So if you do want to swap that feature back into this set of taillights, you don't want to sacrifice your factory features, this set should allow you to do that. Now, starting off with the internals of this construction, and the highlight of this set literally is going to be the multiple high output LEDs that will be very bright and long lasting with minimal power consumption, so you're not going to have to worry about maintenance. You can simply just enjoy your lighting. Now, the outside is also resilient with a plastic lens and housing that's going to be long lasting as well, thanks to the resistance to weathering and lighter impacts if you are taking your Tundra off-road. Now, these are going to fit just like the factory ones, molded to factory spec with OE connectors for a plug-and-play install and factory mounting tabs and locator pins for a secure and snug fit. Now, like I said, this side panel here is also going to be removable on both sides, so if you are looking to swap over that bump sensor, if your Tundra is equipped, you should be able to do so. Now, these are going to be roughly $850. Now, while they may not be the most inexpensive set, they definitely will be one of the most unique with the styling and include a lot for that price point with the function of the lighting and the quality in the build. They will, however, cost right around the same for a set of replacement taillights from the dealers. So I think if you want to invest in a set that's going to add a lot more character to your build compared to the factory ones, or you have to replace your current set and would rather do it in style than conform to the factory appearance, this is going to be a fantastic set to do it with. Install for these is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take about an hour. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if you got it done a lot sooner, but it's going to be very easy in order to install these. Now, at this point, we can head over to our shop. We can check out a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your 2022 or newer Tundra at home. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
The tools you'll need for this project are a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Hi everyone, today we're installing a set of taillights on our Tundra, so let's get started with the uninstall first. Alright, first thing we need to do on our uninstall is remove these two 10mm bolts here at the bottom and one at the top, just inside the tailgate. So we'll use our 10mm socket and get those out. So the next thing we're going to do is just grab a hold of our taillight and pull it straight back out. Now, it might be a little tough because there's some pins in here that hold this in tight to the side of the truck. So just take a little pressure and pull straight back. All right, then we're going to squeeze the black release lever on our connector right here and pull it straight out. Then we'll use our trim removal tool to remove the 3 push clips here, and back here, and release the harness from the light. And now you can repeat that process for the other side. Now to install our new light, it's just going to be a reversal of the uninstall process. So we'll go ahead and reconnect our wiring harness, retaining clips, and we'll plug in our connector, and now we can reinstall the light. Reinstall our 2 bolts. And tighten them with our 10mm socket. And now repeat that for the other side.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Z-Series full LED sequential taillights with the initiation feature, black housing, and clear lens, fitting all 2022 and newer Toyota Tundras without the factory sequential turn signals. And you can find these right here at extremeterrain.com.